In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn Romwe 2025. Step by step, we'll walk through 4 practical ways to make money with Romwe, from affiliate commissions to dropshipping, local reselling, and content creation, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. Start with the Romwe Affiliate Program. Search for Romwe Affiliate Program 2025 or scroll to the affiliate link in the Romwe website footer. Sign up by providing your email, your website or social profiles, and your payment details. Once you're approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. That link is how your sales are tracked, so copy it somewhere safe. Share it where your audience already hangs out, like TikTok, Instagram stories, or your bio, YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook groups, or your blog. Make your posts useful. Film Romwe outfit hauls, offer simple styling tips, or compare outfits for different occasions. Remember to follow platform rules and disclose affiliate links when required. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage as commission. Payouts typically go to PayPal or bank transfer. Always check the latest Romwe terms. A quick winning move is to feature items that are trending or on sale, since those convert better. Next, consider Romwe dropshipping if you want to sell without holding inventory. Choose a platform you're comfortable with, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Instagram Shop, or Facebook Shop. Find products on Romwe or marketplaces like 1688 by focusing on popular trending items at good prices. Vet supplier reliability and make sure shipping options work for your customers. When you list products, add clear photos, a descriptive title, an accurate description, and your price with a markup. For example, if your cost is $8 and you sell for $18, your profit is $10 before fees. When an order comes in, buy the item from Romwe or 1688, enter your customer's shipping address, and have it shipped directly to them. You can also earn by reselling Romwe clothes locally, use flash deals to source trending pieces, and consider buying popular sizes in small batches. Sell on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, TikTok, regional marketplaces like Shopee, Lazada, OLX, or Carousel, and even local bazaars or thrift markets. Great photos and concise, catchy captions make a big difference. Finally, grow with fashion content. Post haul and review videos, add your affiliate link, tag the outfits, and use trending sounds on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Over time, this can open doors to sponsorships, brand deals, and more affiliate income.